Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're thrilled to introduce you to the highly anticipated 2025 Pontiac Firebird 400 Coupe, a modern masterpiece that seamlessly blends iconic heritage with contemporary innovation. Buckle up as we dive into every detail of this stunning vehicle, from its jaw-dropping design to its heart-pounding performance. The 2025 Pontiac Firebird 400 Coupe pays tribute to its legendary predecessors with a design that is both nostalgic and forward-thinking. The aggressive front fascia, sleek body lines, and signature twin-scoop hood create a powerful presence on the road. The aerodynamic enhancements not only boost performance, but also give the Firebird 400 an unmistakable silhouette that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Under the hood lies a beastly V8 engine, meticulously engineered to deliver 400 horsepower of raw power. The Firebird 400 Coupe boasts lightning-fast acceleration, allowing you to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in mere seconds. With advanced suspension and handling dynamics, this car offers a driving experience that's both exhilarating and precise. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tearing up the track, the Firebird 400 Coupe promises to deliver pure adrenaline. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Pontiac Firebird 400 Coupe. Equipped with state-of-the-art safety features and driver assistance technologies, this car provides peace of mind on every journey. From adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist to collision warning and automatic emergency braking, the Firebird 400 Coupe is designed to keep you and your passengers safe. Personalize your Firebird 400 Coupe with a range of customization options. Choose from an array of exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior trims to make your Firebird truly unique. Whether you prefer a classic look or a modern aesthetic, there's a combination that will reflect your individual style. Join us as we take a closer look at this remarkable vehicle, exploring its stunning design, impressive features, and the raw power under the hood. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and exclusive content on the latest automotive innovations. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on new car releases, in-depth reviews, and automotive news. Hit the bell icon to never miss an upload.